Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic Fourier series. This is the third part regarding Fourier series. In this video we are going to see the problems based on discontinuities. Okay. Before this is my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let us begin the topic. So the question will ask you as find the Fourier series. This is your main question, Fourier series. So find the Fourier series of the function f of x given by f of x 0 if the limit minus pi to 0 and x square if 0 less than x less than pi. Okay, so solution given this one. So it means Fourier series of f of x is in minus pi to pi. Okay, so first we will find the value of a naught, an and bn. So an formula we know that 1 by pi integration from where to where, minus pi to pi f of x dx. But since it is discontinuous, what we are going to do, since this limit minus pi to pi, we will write as 1 by pi as outside as it is. So integration first minus pi to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to pi f of x dx. Minus pi to pi means minus pi to 0, 0 to pi. So likewise now f of x, what is f of x between the limit minus pi to 0? 0 into dx plus 0 to pi. So f of x is x square. Now 0 into something 0. So 1 by pi outside, this is 0 plus x square integration x cube by 3, upper limit pi, lower limit 0. Now apply limit, pi cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. So 1 by pi outside as it is, the answer is pi cube by 3. So pi cube pi, so pi cancel, 1 cancel, pi square by 3. This is a naught. Now next an. What is an formula? 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Again same, minus pi to pi I will write as minus pi to 0 f of x cos nx dx plus 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. It means minus pi to pi I am writing as minus pi to 0, 0 to pi. Okay, now substitute the values. So here from minus pi to 0 f of x is 0, cos nx as it is. From 0 to pi f of x is x square cos nx dx. So 0 into something, everything will be 0 plus. Now here it is multiplication. So using Bernoulli's rule, this is u, this is v. First I will show you a u. So x square minus derivative of u, x square 2x. Next plus 2x derivative 2. X square minus first derivative plus second derivative. Now v, first integration cos nx integration sin nx by n, again integration minus cos nx by n square. So minus into minus plus it will be here, and this cos nx minus cos nx integration minus sin nx by n cube. Okay, so x square sin x by n plus minus into minus plus 2x cos nx by n square plus minus minus 2 sin nx by n cube, 0 to pi. Now apply limit, upper limit minus lower limit for each and every individual. So here pi square sin nx by pi n minus 0 square sin n 0 by n for this. Now plus 2, x means pi, so 2 pi cos n pi by n square minus 0, 2 into 0 cos n into 0 by n square. Next, minus 2 by n cube sin n pi minus sin n 0. So here, since sin n pi we know 0, so this is 0. 0 into something 0. 2 pi cos n pi value we know that minus 1. Okay, cos n pi value is 1, and this multiply 2 into 0 0, and all this sign value 0 and 0. So the answer is 1 by pi 2 pi into 1 into n square. So this one I am writing as minus 1 power of n for n is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, so on. So just remember, cos n pi is minus 1. Okay, now next we will find bn. Bn formula is 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. Same 1 by pi outside, here minus pi to pi. Minus pi to pi I am writing as minus pi to 0 0 to pi. So this one minus pi to 0 f of x sin nx dx plus integration 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. What is f of x? 0, between minus pi to 0, this one sin nx plus f of x from this limit x square. So this is x square sin nx dx. 0 into something, all 0. Now this is uv using Bernoulli's rule. X square, first this is u, so x square minus derivative of x square 2x plus 2x derivative is 2. Next, sin nx integration minus cos nx by n. Again this integration minus sin nx by n square. Again integration of this minus into minus plus cos nx by n cube. So x, just rearrange this, minus x square cos nx by n minus into minus plus 2x sin nx by n square, 2 by n cube outside cos nx between the limit 0 to pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit, minus pi square cos nx by n minus lower limit minus 0 square cos n 0 by n. This is here. Now 2 by n square outside. Now apply limit here. Pi sin n pi minus 0 sin n 0, bracket close, plus 2 by n cube as it is. Now apply here cos n into pi minus cos n 0. Now 1 by pi outside as it is, minus pi square by n cos n pi, as we saw that cos n pi value is minus 1 power of n, minus 0 into something 0, plus 2 by n square as it is, sin n pi 0, 0 into something 0, 2 by n cube cos n pi. What is the cos n pi value? Minus 1 power of n, minus cos 0 1. So now multiply this 1 by pi into this one here, 1 by pi into 2 by n cube, 2 pi n cube. Now just see, look, so here 1 by pi, this pi and 1 pi cancel, so minus 1 into minus 1 power of n minus 1 power of n plus 1, bases are same, power should be added, plus 2 by n cube minus 1 power of n minus 1 as it is. So this is our bn value. As we have a naught, an and bn, substitute in Fourier series. So Fourier series formula is this one. You must remember, Fourier series f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Now substitute the values. A naught value is pi square by 3 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an value is this one, 2 by n square minus 1 power of n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn. What is bn value? This one whole, everything n sin nx. Now just simplify. 3 2s are 6. So pi square by 6 plus 2 take outside. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power of n cos nx by n square plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity all these into sin x. So this is our first problem. Now next, same next question. Find Fourier series. This is your question. To represent, find the Fourier series to represent the function f of x 1 if the limit 0 less than x less than pi, 0 if pi less than x less than 2 pi. Okay. So f of x is given. Here the limit starts with 0 and 2 pi. So Fourier series of f of x is in 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Since it is Fourier series, they are asking. Fourier series formula is this one. F of x a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Mark it as first equation. Now we will find first a naught. So a naught formula is this one. A naught is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. See here, 0 to 2 pi complete, but we will split or discontinue as 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. So 1 by pi outside, 0 to 2 pi I am writing as 0 to pi f of x dx plus pi to 2 pi f of x dx. This is known as discontinuity only. So 1 by pi integration, what is f of x between 0 to pi? 0 to pi is 1 dx plus pi to 2 pi f of x is 0. So 1 integration of 1 x upper limit pi lower limit 0 0 into something 0. Now apply limit, upper limit pi minus 0. Pi minus 0 is pi. This pi cancel. 1 is the answer. So a naught value is 1. Now next we will go find a n. So a n formula is this one. A n is equal to 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. 1 by pi as it is. Now this 0 to 2 pi complete. I will write as 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx plus pi to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. So between 0 to pi f of x function 1 cos nx plus pi to 2 pi f of x 0 cos nx dx. So 1 into cos nx cos nx integration sin nx by n pi to 0 to pi, this is the limit, plus 0 into something 0. Apply limit sin n pi by n minus sin n into 0 by n. Sin n pi we know 0, sin 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 into something 0. So a n value is 0. Now we will find bn. So bn formula is 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. So 1 by pi, since here 0 to 2 pi f of x, so I will split as 0 to pi f of x sin x dx plus pi to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. See 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. So what is f of x between 0 to pi? Here 1 f sin nx dx. What is the f of x between pi to 2 pi? 1 0. So 1 into sin x integration minus cos nx by n, 0 pi as it is plus 0 into something 0. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit, minus cos n pi by n, minus formula, then minus cos n into 0 by n. So minus as it is cos n pi, we know minus 1 power of n by n, minus into minus plus cos n into 0 0, cos 0 1 by n. So LCM n take it outside. So 1 by n pi. First we will write 1 minus of minus 1 power of n. This is Bn. Okay. So now we will substitute the values of a naught, a n, b n in first equation. This is our first equation. Now a naught value is 1. So I am writing is 1 pi 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n value is 0 into cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn value is this one into sin nx dx. Okay. Now 1 by 2 as it is, 0 into something 0 plus 1 by pi constant outside remaining inside. Now expand means substitute the values of n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi as it is, apply n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 power of 1 by 1 into sin 1x plus 1 minus 1 power of 2 by 2 sin 2x plus 1 minus 1 power of 3 by 3 sin 3x up to so on. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2 by 1 2 sin x plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 0 into something 0 plus minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So minus into minus plus 2 1 plus 1 2 by 3 sin 3x. Likewise even terms 0 odd time will be here, odd terms. So now these two take outside. So 1 by 2 plus 2 by pi sin x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x plus 1 by 5 sin 5x is the answer. Now next question, find same Fourier series. Find Fourier series of the function f of x is given by f of x 0 if pi less than x less than 0, pi x by 4 if 0 less than x less than pi. This is our problem. So given this one, so this means Fourier series of f of x is in minus pi to pi, minus pi starting with minus pi and with pi. So minus pi to pi. So Fourier series formula is this one, f of x a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Mark it as first equation. Now for this a naught we have a formula 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx. 1 by pi as it is. Now since it is discontinuous, minus pi to pi I am writing as minus pi to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to pi f of x dx. Here minus pi to 0 then 0 to pi, minus pi to 0 0 to pi. So in this minus pi to 0 what is f of x? 0 plus 0 to pi f of x is pi x by 4, 0 into something 0 plus pi by 4 constant outside, integration of x power of 1 x square by 2 limit 0 to pi. So this 1 by pi and this pi by 4 outside as it is. Now upper limit minus lower limit, pi square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. This pi cancel, 1 by 4 outside, pi square by 2 inside. So pi square 1 is pi square by 4 2 is 8. This is our a naught value. Now next an. So an formula 1 by pi integration minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx. So 1 by pi as it is minus pi. So here I am this minus pi to pi I am writing as 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, then pi to 2 pi See here, this is minus pi to pi. So I am writing as first this is minus pi to 0 and this is 0 to plus pi. Okay, so 0 to pi f of x 0 cos nx, and this 0 to pi, this is minus pi to 0 and this is 0 to pi f of x pi x by 4 cos nx dx. 0 into something 0 plus pi by 4 take outside, it is x cos nx. This is uv. So using Bernoulli's rule, what it is, first u means x minus of derivative of x 1, x minus 1, this is regarding u. Now v integration cos nx integration sin nx by n, sin nx integration minus cos nx by n square, 0 to pi as it is. So 1 by 4 as it is, pi by 4 as it is outside. Now upper limit minus lower limit, wherever x is there, first pi then 0. Pi sin n pi by n minus 0 sin n 0 by n. This is minus into minus plus cos n pi by n square minus cos n 0 by n square. This pi cancel, 1 by 4. Sin n pi value 0. 0 into something by is n 0 whole 0 plus we know cos n pi value is minus 1 power of n by n square minus n into 0 0, cos 0 value is 1 by n square. So the final answer 1 by 4 minus 1 power of n minus 1 by n square LCM. So an is minus 1 power of n minus 1 by 4 n square. So here we will write an 0 if n is even, and this minus 1 by 2n square if n is odd. If we take n is equal to odd, we will get minus 2 by 4 minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 to n square when n is odd. Okay. Now Bn. So Bn formula 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. 1 by pi outside as it is. This minus pi to pi f of x sin x I am writing as minus pi to 0 integration minus pi to 0 and integration 0 to pi. So integration minus pi to 0 f of x sin nx dx plus 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. 1 by pi, what is f of x here between minus pi to 0? 0 into sin nx dx plus f of x pi x by 4 sin nx dx. 0 into something 0 plus pi by 4 constant take outside. Now x sin x using Bernoulli's rule, this is u. So first x derivative of x 1. So x minus 1. What about regarding this sin nx derivative integration minus cos nx by n, again integration, this one is sin nx by n square. Okay. So pi by 4 upper limit minus pi cos n pi by n minus formula minus 0 cos n 0 by n. So minus sin n pi by n square minus sin n into 0 by n. So this pi by 4 and this pi by 4 cancel. If I multiply here, it will become 0. Okay. So pi cancel, 1 by 4 pi cos n pi value minus 1 power of n by n minus 0 into something 0 by n 0 0. Sin n pi 0, sin 0 0. So the final answer 1 by 4 minus 1 power of n, this minus. So this minus 1 power of 1 and this minus 1 power of n, bases are same, power should be added. So minus 1 power of n plus 1. So pi minus 1 power of n plus 1 by 4n. This is Bn. Now substitute the values. Substitute the values of a naught, a n, b n in first equation. F of x a n pi square by 8 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to, here it is I am taking odd value 135 to infinity, this one minus 1 by 2 n square cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, bn value is this one pi minus 1 power of n plus 1 by 4n sin nx. Now pi square as it is, 8 to the 16. This minus 1 by 2 constant take outside, minus 1 by 2, sigma n is equal to 135 to infinity 1 by n square cos nx plus pi by 4 sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power of n plus 1 by n into sin nx. So f of x pi square by 16 minus 1 by 2. Now apply here n is equal to 135. 1 by 1 square cos 1x plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x plus 1 by 5 square cos 5x up to so on plus this pi by 4. Now apply limit here and apply expansion, means n is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that, minus power of minus n 1 plus 1 by 1 sin 1x plus minus 1 power of 1 2 plus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus minus 1 power of 3 plus 1 by 3 sin 3x up to so on. Now this here put x is equal to 0 in equation 2. Here f of x, so f of 0 value will become 0. So this f of x value here it is 0. F of x, f of 0 is 0 is here. Pi square, okay, pi square by 16 minus 1 by 2 cos 0, 1 by 3 square cos 3 into 0 plus 1 by 5 square cos 5 into 0 up to 1 plus pi by 4 sin 0 minus 1 by 2 sin 2 into 0 plus 1 by 3 sin 3 into 0 up to so on. So 0 pi square by 16 minus 1 by 2 cos 0 1 cos 3 into 0 1 cos 5 into 0 1. So 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on sin 0 0. So all become 0. Now this minus value when you send that side it become positive. So pi square by 16 as it is 1 by 2 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square 1 by 5 square so on. This 2 this 16 2 2 cancel 16 cancel means 8. So pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on. Okay. Now last question. This is very important. If f of x minus x for minus x for minus pi less than x less than 0, x for 0 less than x less than pi, find the Fourier series of f of x, deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi square by 8. Okay. Now this is f of x. Here starting with minus pi and with pi. So Fourier series of f of x is from minus pi to pi. What is our Fourier series? This is our formula. F of x a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Mark it as first equation. Now let us go to find a n. A0, a naught value 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx. So 1 by pi as it is, this integration minus pi to pi I am writing as minus pi to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to pi f of x dx. 1 by pi outside as it is. So f of x when minus pi to pi it is minus x dx plus 0 to pi limit is there, so f of x value is x dx. Now minus outside as it is, x power of 1 integration x square by 2 minus pi to 0 plus integration of x 1 x square by 2 0 to pi. Now what you have to do, apply the limit. Apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, minus 0 square by 2 minus formula minus pi whole square by 2 plus here pi square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. So 0 means everything is 0. Now minus pi whole square plus pi square minus outside minus of this pi square by 2 plus this pi square by 2 minus 0. Okay, so minus into minus plus pi square by 2 plus this pi square by 2. Pi square by 2 pi square means 2 pi square by 2. This 2 cancel and this pi and 1 pi cancel. Answer is a naught value is pi. Next an formula is 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x cos nx. Here this minus pi to pi I am writing as minus pi to 0 f of x cos nx dx plus 0 to pi. Minus pi to pi means minus pi to 0, 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. What is f of x here in this limit? Minus x. What is f of x between 0 to pi? X. Since both are product rule, using Bernoulli's rule. So first u. So minus x minus formula derivative of x minus derivative of minus x minus 1. So now v cos nx integration sin nx by n. Integration of sin nx by n means minus cos nx by n square. Limit minus pi to 0. Now for this x here as it is minus derivative of x 1. Now v cos nx integration sin nx by n. Integration of again this minus cos nx by n square. Now 1 by pi upper limit 0. So minus 0 sin n 0 by n minus formula minus sin pi minus of minus pi sin n into minus pi by n. So for this is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Now minus into minus plus into minus minus. Now upper limit cos n into 0 by n square minus upper limit minus lower limit minus cos n pi into n square. For this we have finished. Now plus here upper limit pi sin n pi by n minus 0 sin n 0 by n. Now for last this one minus into minus plus cos n pi by n square minus cos for this minus cos n into 0 by n square. So 1 by pi wherever sign is there it is 0. This one 0 and this one 0 here minus cos n 0 cos 0 1 by n square minus cos minus theta cos theta. So cos n pi value is minus 1 power of n by n square plus sin is there 0 sin is there 0 plus n cos n pi minus 1 power of n by n square minus cos 0 1 by n square. So 1 by pi outside as it is, this one minus into plus minus 1 by n square minus into minus plus minus 1 power of n by n square. This one 0 leave it. This is minus 1 power of n by n square minus 1 by n square. See here minus 1 n is 1 by minus 1 by n square minus 1 by n square means minus 2 by n square, and here minus 1 power of n minus 1 power of n is 2 time. Here 2 time, here 2 time. So take 2 outside, minus 1 power of 2n minus 2 by n square. Okay. So LCM. So this take out 2 outside, 2 pi by n square minus 1 power of n minus 1. This is our an. Now we will find bn. Before this, see here, if it is 2 and minus 1 power of n, if it is n is equal to even, Suppose 2 is there, so minus, we will get two different things. If it is n is even, we will get 0. If it is odd, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 4. So if it is odd, we will get minus 4 by n square pi. Okay. Now next, this is an finish. Now we will find bn. So bn formula is this one. 1 by pi integration minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So 1 by pi minus pi to pi, I will write as minus pi to 0 f of x sin x plus 0 to pi f of x sin nx. So what is f of x between these two? Minus x sin nx dx. Between 0 to pi f of x, x sin nx dx. So now using Bernoulli's rule, so minus x minus into minus plus derivative of minus x, so here it become plus 1. Now integration of sin nx minus cos nx by n, again derivative minus sin nx by n square for this. Now regarding same x as it is Bernoulli's and minus formula x derivative 1. Sin nx derivative minus cos nx by n, again minus cos nx by n integration minus sin nx by n square 0 to pi limit. So 1 by pi. Now for this upper limit minus lower limit. Here it is upper limit 0, lower limit minus pi. Minus 0 minus into minus plus 0 sin n 0 by n minus formula minus of minus pi cos n into minus pi by n for this upper limit minus lower limit. Plus minus minus, wherever sign is there you will get 0 0 when you apply 0 and pi. Now plus x minus, here see, minus pi cos n pi by n minus formula 0 cos n 0 by n plus last minus into minus plus, wherever x is there, pi by n square sin 0 by n square. So 1 by pi, 0 into something 0, minus into minus plus pi cos n pi by n minus sin 0 0, all are become 0, plus see here this one minus pi cos n pi by n, 0 into something 0, sin is there 0, sin is there 0. Ultimately the final answer 1 by pi cos n pi by n, this minus cos pi n by n, this minus plus cancel 0, 0 into something 0. So bn value is 0. Okay, now substitute a naught bn an bn in first equation. F of x, what is a naught value? Pi by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 135 to infinity minus 4 by n square pi cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, bn value is 0 into sin x. It will remove color. Now f of x pi by 2 minus 4 by pi outside, sigma n is equal to 135 odd number to infinity 1 by n square cos nx. Okay, now first expand this, f of x pi by 2 minus 4 by pi, so 1 by 1 square cos 1x, 1 by 3 square cos 5x plus 1 by 5 square cos 5x, like that, and apply, put x is equal to 0. Okay, here f of x 0 is equal to 0, pi by 2 minus 4 by pi, here x 0, here x 0, here x 0. So this minus pi by 4 whole, when it bring it here, it become 4 by pi, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square up to so on is equal to pi by 2. This pi by 4, when it's sent, it become pi into pi, pi square, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so that's all. We have seen this discontinuity problem. Before conclude this, again I am telling, This is my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim sir. Share, like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's all.